Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to wind off Maths Paper 2 that was written by November 2025 candidates. I have uploaded all the solutions from number 1 up to 11, and in this video we'll focus on linear programming that was on number 12. So let us dive straight to the question. The diagram shows region R defined by 3 inequalities. We are required to find the 3 inequalities. So what is very important is to first see the name of the line. So let us start with the easiest one. We are having that vertical line which is broken and passing through -2. The name of that line, it is x is equals to 2. This is number 12. This is number 12A, part 1. So we are saying x is equal to -2. That is the name of that line. And then when we are now interpreting the inequality, we then say x is strictly greater than -2 since the line is broken. So this is the answer that is required, right? And then we need to find the second inequality. We are having this line. So this is the line that we want to interpret. We need to find the equation of that line. It is passing through -2, 0, 0, 3, 3, right? So if we want to find the equation of line, this is what we do. We are having the coordinate -2, -2, and also we have the coordinate 3, 3. We also have the coordinate 0, 0. So we just need to select any of the 2 coordinates and then we find the gradient. So gradient is change in y over change in x. So gradient is equal to change in y. We say 3 minus -2. Change in x, we say 3 minus -2. So 3 minus -2, we get 5. 3 minus -2, we get 5. 5 divided by 5, we get our gradient is 1, right? So that is the first procedure. We said, let me check again. We are having -2, -2, and also we are having 3, 3, right? And then after that, we obtained our gradient as +1. And then we need to interpret the inequality. We are saying y is equal to mx plus c. We say y is equal to, our gradient is 1. And then it is passing through the y-axis at 0. So it means that the equation of that line is y is equal to x, right? So we are saying the equation of this line, it is y is equal to x. And then we now need to interpret the inequality. They have shaded the region that is less than. So it means that we want the region that is greater than. When we are now writing our inequality, we are going to say y is greater than or equal to x. This is going to be our second inequality. And then we now need to interpret the third inequality, which is having -2, 2, and 3, 3. So here we are having -2, 2, and minus and 3 3, right? Let us find the gradient. Gradient, we say change in y over change in x. So 3 minus 2, we get 1. 3 minus 2, we get 5. We need to find the c. The c, we are going to select n of the two. Either we use the 3 3. We say we are having y is equal to mx plus c. So on y, we substitute 3. On gradient, 1 over 5. On x, we substitute 3 plus c. And we need to make c the subject of formula. We say 3 minus 350 equals to c. So if we say 3 minus 350, we are going to get 12 over 5. So this is our c. When we are now writing our equation, we say y is equal to 1/5 x plus 12 over 5. So when we are now interpreting our inequality, we need to see the region that they have shaded above the line, which means that the wanted region is less than. So we are going to write that y is less than or equal to 1 over 5x plus 12 over 5. So either we can present like this, or we multiply all the terms by 5 so that we write 5y is less than or equal to x plus 12. So these are possible answers on the next part of the question. So we underline this one, or we underline this one. Right. And then next, we have managed to find the 3 inequalities. Next, the question is saying the coordinates of the points that gives the maximum value of 2x plus 1. So it is just a matter of comparing the corner points of the wanted region. So we are having this minus 2, 2. We have minus 2, minus 2, and 3, 3. We are going to substitute this on 2x plus y. So we are having 2x plus y, right? The first coordinate, we are having minus 2, 2, right? So we say 2 times minus 2 plus 2 in order to get our answer is negative 2. Next, we are having the coordinate 3, 3. So we say 2 times 3 plus 3 in order to get 9. Lastly, we are having minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2. So we say 2 times minus 2 minus 2 in order to get negative 6. So when we are now answering, let me check, it is the answer for A, part 2, the coordinates of the points that gives the maximum value of 3x plus y. So we are going to say on part 2, our answer is this 3, 3. Because it is giving us a maximum value of 9. Part 3 is requiring us to give the maximum value of 2x plus y. So we are going to put 9. And then finally, a conference is to be attended by both male and female teachers from each school in the district. The number of male teachers should not exceed 9, and at least 5 female teachers from each school should attend. However, not more than 15 teachers from each school can attend the conference. Let X be the number of male teachers and Y the number of female teachers from each school who are supposed to attend the conference. Write down the 3 inequalities that satisfy the above restrictions for marks. So we are given that the number of male teachers, they are represented by X, and the number of male teachers should not exceed 9. So when we are interpreting this inequality, we are now on part B. We are going to say X is less than or equal to 9. They are not supposed to exceed 9, so they can be 9 and below. So we write X is less than or equal to 9. And then the next inequality, and at least 5 female teachers from each school. At least means greater than or equal to, and female teachers are represented by Y. So when we are now interpreting, we say Y is greater than or equal to 5, right? And then finally, however, not more than 15 teachers from each school can attend the conference. So it means that if we add X plus Y, we are supposed to have less than or equal to 15 teachers, because they are not supposed to exceed 15. However, not more than 15 teachers from each school can attend the conference. So it means that we can have 15 teachers and below. So when we are interpreting that inequality, we are going to write X plus Y is less than or equal to 15. So these are the 3 inequalities that satisfy the restrictions provided. So this marks the end of our tutorial on Maths Paper 2 that was written by November 2025 candidates. Those who are writing next year, I am kindly inviting you to join my WhatsApp classes. I'm going to start them on 1 November, and I teach Maths and Combined Science every day in the evening from Monday to Friday. It is $10 per month per subject if you want to join. Thank you. This is Eve signing.